now we'll go to the nature of shots. Straight on or flat, right? What is a straight on shot? Straight on shot is a composition where we keep, like, let's say there is a staircase. We're showing like two characters are sitting and having a chat like this. This is a flat shot where everything is, you know, the characters. We don't have a depth mostly in this kind of shot. Or we can see one more example. Let's say character. There's a sofa. Let's say two characters sitting, right? So why this is a flat shot? I'll show you what kind of shots. See, mostly in this kind of shots, we don't have any depth, right? Characters are completely flat. The angle is completely flat, right? Instead, we can do this. We could have done this. We had the option. Right? We could have done this. This looks like an interesting angle, but we have certain depth in it, right? So we are not doing this. We sometimes choose this kind of angles. Same with this. We could choose a difficult angle or a different angle, maybe a low angle shot, maybe a top angle shot, where both of them are sitting. Right? We could have chosen this as well, but we're not. We are choosing this. Why this kind of angles are used? Mostly, if you see comedy shows or to depict comedy scenes, this kind of flat angles are used, right? Where we don't have depth, because this is not dynamic. This is completely plain. So when you are approaching comedy scenes, try and stick to this kind of angles.